Hello, hello! Welcome back to Tingy Adventure. And once again, we're back and traveling. We are exploring today Toulon plus Saint-Tropez. So this is a long weekend trip. So we take the train, bus from Marseille going to Toulon and Toulon going to Saint-Tropez. So here we come. We arrive at Saint-Tropez during this time and we are exploring the place going to the business center. So this is the way going to the business center, and this is where the many famous shop for the tourists and for the actually this is a tourist spot here in France, and this is a very good place to explore because you can experience the posh, the extraordinary lifestyle of the tourists here, and of course the ambience of this place. This is a very nice place. I can commend this place for a visit, and we're so happy that we meet a lot of our countrymen also here working, and they are also visiting the place. So this is the way going to this business center where we will be exploring. So this place is very clean. I can honestly say that this is very clean and very organized. You can see that everything is well taken care of because wala kang makikitang anything sa daan that can make you feel disappointed for the place because everything is organized and everything is very good in sightseeing. So the famous shop, as you can see sa mga nadaanan namin, are very high-end brand. The shop are very small, but if you will come to the place, everything is here already, I can say. From the luxurious brand to the very affordable, I can say, not cheap, but you can afford also to do shopping in here. So it's okay to explore, and this is the most exciting part. We can see the different yacht with their respective flags, where they came from or kung saan sila nag-originate. And then lots of restaurants. You can be amazed because the restaurants are full, and the outfit, oh my god, they are very classy and very formal. Yung parang laging may wedding reception or parang may meeting, executive meeting sa mga restaurants. So we experienced to dine in a restaurant, and then we experienced the bestseller food, and then after that we start exploring again. This is the museum, and then there are a lots of palm tree also in the area, and then mostly are operas, the famous place in the movie. I think in the later part we explore that also, and these flowers are totoo. So sa mga plantita dyan, you can be amazed of what you can see here because the flowers are very blooming, and also because of the season. So this is where Saint-Tropez is very famous also because of this different famous locations and famous museums and artifacts also that people are going. Like and subscribe. Thank you.